received pronunciation of Edinburgh is different from that of Oxford, but the message of the medium is basically the same. This pronunciation is not received at all, but Mummy and Daddy paid for it. And if a piece of writing can't comfortably be read aloud in a correct pronunciation, a received pronunciation, then there must be something wrong with it. It's not valid. And this might not merely apply to the grammar of the writing, but the semantic content as well, since the standard pronunciation having to be bought is the property of the property classes. Then only such content as these classes do not find disagreeable can be correct. Enter the inevitable assertion that the language of these economically superior classes is aesthetically superior. Then, in the interest of beauty and truth, the regional and the working class languages, whatever else they're capable of, certainly aren't capable, the shoddy little things, of great art. Okay, now Tom's asked me to announce the title of this piece. A Short History of Marianism.
That made a rich, creamy lather, and the moisturizing cream made from precious oils. Those are fragrant, delicate as a charm, and as she made, her skin felt as soft and as smooth as silk. Like all good stories, it began with 3 wishes.
Dance and dance. And now dance round the room. Go on, everybody, dance around the room.
I am not being beaten by my mother. I am being loved by my father.
Suspiring beats.
One dream of passion and of beauty more. And in its bright fulfillment, let me pour my soul away.
Golden rising, full melting.
Let earth retain a trace of that which lit my being. Yet one more dream from my deep spirit, one victorious gleam, ere I depart. For thee, alone for thee. Thou fair art, thou form, whose life is of my burning heart.
Aspiring beats in blue, soft, precious tone.
For first of all, the Lord distinguishes a class of men who have castrated themselves for the sake of the kingdom of heaven. That is to permit them to devote themselves more unreservedly and freely to the...
is the buff-throated wood creeper, because he makes a sound that you can hear all over the jungle. It's a gay, laughing sort of noise, and it carries miles. All the time, throughout the jungle, there is this lovely, laughing sound echoing away.
Well, that was a short history of Marion. I think I'll do next. I had an idea. I was going to do a short chamber piece called Beethoven's Ninth, which is scored for tenor, dead mouse, used contraceptive, bunch of grapes and banana. But I had some difficulty getting the things together due to the Scottish Theatre Act and various things like that. Anyway, I'm not quite sure where I'm going here. I'll just read a thing now called The Rainbow of, in which I take a series of words and sort of repeat them over and over again. The night wind know the sense of the sense of the night wind know the The night wind know the sense of the sense of the sense of this, 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 the sense of this. The red of the orange of the yellow of the green of the blue of the indigo of the violet, the orange of the yellow of the green of the blue of the indigo of the violet of the red, the yellow of the green of the blue of the indigo of the violet of the red of the orange, the green of the blue of the indigo of the violet of the red of the orange of the yellow, the blue of the indigo of the violet of the red of the orange of the yellow of the green, the indigo of the violet of the red of the orange of the yellow of the green of the blue, the violet of the red of the orange of the yellow of the green of the blue of the indigo. This the of sense, the this of sense, 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 this the of sense, the this of sense. The day come, yes, the sense of the sense of the day come, yes. This, 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 this. The day come, yes, the sense of the sense of. I'm glad just to realise somebody, I'm not sure the sound in that, as Lily said, was, apart from, no point, I was going to say, could you actually make that out? Because if you couldn't make it out, then I wouldn't be able to create, I don't mean that, I mean the first tape I played, and if you can't make it out, then I don't know what I'm going to do, so I'll just have to play the other tapes and see what happens. So, well, this is I'll tell you what, seeing my own contribution to the bookstall is a bonnet hustling, which is, I'll just read a couple of things from it. It's probably, I don't mean just because it's in a book, I mean in the sense that This is, in a way, although it's still retaining a semantic or lexical or content, whatever, anyway. These are sort of kind of, they're not sound poems, but they were reflecting my, in Glasgow, Part War, whatever. They sort of were at a stage, or they showed when I was getting interested in sound, blah, blah. Anyway, there's got a preface to the book called Poetry, and so I'll just read it. The P as in pulchritude, O pronounced ow as in bow, the E rather poised, pronounced as in wit, then a languid high T, pause, then the coda, Ray pronounced R with the left eyebrow raised. What a gracious bouquet. Poetry. Poetry! That was my education, and nothing to do with me. One that I suppose the sound will be a wee bit more. I was interested in this one. Anyway, I'll just do this one more of these type. In the sense that the way sometimes when somebody hangs onto their vowels, it's an indicative state of a, sort of. The kinetics of the voice, in other words, can be an analogue for the kinetics of your psychology. Tea time. I'm that dependent. Hang on to my vowels. Hang on to my mammy. How's the time? My man's that different. Off a short vowels. Is that independent? I'll better away. Another one just to do with a more sort of kind of related to where I go through different types of Glasgow speech. This is a thing called ambivalent Bonnie, which I just go through the letters of the alphabet picked at random and do them in different speeds and different voices. 5 different voices and I think it's 4 different speeds. Ambivalent, Bonnie, catacoustic, dizzard, extra, fetishistic, gazump, hobbledehoish, insular, jamboree, kinetic, litany, monophthong, niddle, noddle, orthographic, prune, quixotic, randy, Spencerian, tapsultire, Altonian, vernical, wander, xenoglossia, yammer, zephyr. Ambivalent Bonnie, catacoustic, dizzard, extra fetishistic, gazump, hobbledehoish, insular, jamboree, kinetic, litany, monophthong, niddle, noddle, orthographic, prune, quixotic, randy, Spencerian, tapsultire, Altonian, vernical, wander, xenoglossia, yammer, zephyr. Ambivalent Bonnie, catacoustic, dizzard, extra fetishistic, gazump, hobbledehoish, insular, jamboree, kinetic, litany, monophthong, diddle, noddle, orthographic, prune, quixotic, randy, Spencerian, tapsultire, Altonian, vernical, wander, xenoglossia, yammer, zephyr. Please, Miss Ambivalent Bonnie, catacoustic, dizzard, extra fetishistic, gazump, hobbledehoish, insular, jamboree, kinetic, litany, monophthong, diddle, noddle, orthographic, quixotic, randy, Spencerian, tapsultire, Altonian, vernical, wander, xenoglossia, yammer, zephyr. Please, Ambivalent Bonnie, catacoustic, dizzard, extra fetishistic, gazump, hobbledehoish, insular, jamboree, kinetic, litany, monophthong, diddle, noddle, orthographic, quixotic, randy, Spencerian, tapsultire, Altonian, vernical, wander, xenoglossia, yammer, zephyr. Ambivalent, Bonnie, catacoustic, dizzard, extra fetishistic, gazump, hobbledehoish, insular, jamboree, kinetic, litany, monophthong, diddle, noddle, orthographic, prune, quixotic, randy, Spencerian, tapsultire, Altonian, vernical, wander, xenoglossia, yammer, zephyr. Ambivalent Bonnie, catacoustic, dizzard, extra fetishistic, gazump, hobbledehoish, insular, jamboree, kinetic, litany, monophthong, diddle, noddle, orthographic, prune, quixotic, randy, Spencerian, tapsultire, Altonian, vernical, wander, xenoglossia, yammer, zephyr. Ambivalent Bonnie, catacoustic, dizzard, extra fetishistic, gazump, hobbledehoish, insular, jamboree, kinetic, litany, monophthong, niddle, noddle, orthographic, prune, quixotic, randy, Spencerian, tapsultire, Altonian, vernical, wander, xenoglossia, yammer, zephyr. Ambivalent Bonnie, catacoustic, dizzard, extra fetishistic, gazump, hobbledehoish, insular, jamboree, kinetic, litany, monophthong, niddle, noddle, orthographic, prune, quixotic, randy, Spencerian, tapsultire, Altonian, vernical, wander, xenoglossia, yammer, zephyr. Ambivalent Bonnie, catacoustic, dizzard, extra fetishistic, gazump, hobbledehoish, insular, jamboree, kinetic, litany, monophthong, niddle, noddle, orthographic, prune, quixotic, randy, Spencerian, tapsultire, Altonian, vernical, wander, xenoglossia, yammer, zephyr. Just to do a quick calculation. Quarter an hour, Bob? Yeah, no, I don't mean, yeah, well, I'll tell you what, aye, yeah. I'll just have a rest for my voice and play a tape that I made a couple of weeks ago. This is right. It's from Kierkegaard, Either Or. So I've just called it Either Or, and well, it'll last about 4.5 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, the first word is with you, I have a certain feeling. I think if you could bring it up louder, sorry.
I have a certain feeling of insecurity being now too severe and now too indulgent. This, after all, is not so strange, for you are an epitome of every possibility, and so at one time I can see in you the possibility of perdition, at another of salvation. Every mood, every thought, good or bad, cheerful or sad, you pursue to its utmost limit, yet in such a way that this comes to pass in abstracto rather than in concreto, in such a way that this pursuit itself is little more than a mood from which nothing results but a knowledge of it, not even so much that the next time it becomes harder or easier for you to indulge in the same mood, for you constantly retain a possibility of it. Hence, according to circumstances, you